What key documents established early human rights principles? Have you ever wondered how the concept of human rights came to be? The journey of human rights is closely tied to the development of liberal ideas, especially during the Enlightenment. This was a time when thinkers began to advocate for reason, individual freedom, and the rights of people against the powers of kings and churches. These ideas laid the groundwork for modern liberalism and the understanding of human rights. One of the first major documents that established early human rights principles is the United States Declaration of Independence, created in 1776. This document boldly states that all people are created equal and have the rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. It argues that governments exist to protect these rights and that people have the authority to change or abolish governments that fail to do so. This was a revolutionary idea, challenging the authority of monarchs and aristocrats. Another foundational document is the French Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, adopted in 1789. This declaration asserts that people are born free and equal in rights. It lists natural and inalienable rights, including liberty, property, safety, and resistance to oppression. It emphasizes that everyone is equal before the law and that social distinctions can only be based on the common good. This declaration also assigns sovereignty to the nation rather than to the king, removing special privileges for nobles and clergy. Both of these documents reflected Enlightenment ideas by focusing on reason, individual rights, and the notion that government power derives from the consent of the governed. They reject the idea that rulers have a divine right to govern, instead arguing that people have rights simply because they are human. In practical terms, these documents influenced the creation of constitutions and legal systems worldwide. They provided a model for how societies could organize themselves to protect individual freedoms and limit government power. Many countries adopted written constitutions that guarantee rights such as freedom of speech, equality before the law, and protection from arbitrary arrest. From a liberal viewpoint, these documents are milestones in the fight for individual freedom and equality. They representing a shift away from traditional authority toward a society where people have a say in how they are governed. The ideas contained in these documents continue to shape discussions about rights, democracy, and the role of government today.